Here's the finished shower tray, fully installed. Let's go through it on how we built it from scratch. Just a quick one. I've timestamped the entire video in the description box below. If you're looking for a specific part of the installation, you can jump straight to it. We start by examining the base. This is the foundation for a watertight installation. Next, we connect the base pieces together and apply silicone in the joints. This assures the shower tray is watertight. What would be really helpful if you was to be able to subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on and drop a little comment for the next time I'm dropping videos like this so you can be informed. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Here we check the joints and start leveling the base. Proper leveling is critical to avoid water pooling and leaks later on. Many installers use standard softwood like pine or spruce, but untreated timber can absorb moisture over time. That's why we go one step further. We used 4x2 treated timber, which is for the base, which is strong, stable and resists moisture, which is essential for longevity. Small spacers keep everything perfectly aligned and avoid uneven trays. On the top of the timber, we used 18mm marine plywood, which adds rigidity and assures the tray sits perfectly on level and doesn't allow flexing. This is your first pro tip on the base and framework. Always check your level of your base before fixing. It will save you so much headache later. During this video, I'm going to remind you that there are some pro tips which you can learn from, and you can obviously take some notes as well. We continue to level the base and apply silicone around the back and the sides to create a reliable seal. Take your time because accuracy now saves you issues later. And I do think this video is a good representation of how to actually build a base from a chippy's point of view or a joiner. And that's someone who specifically works with wood, if you didn't know. Plumbers obviously, and anybody can make a base if you know what you're doing. But this is like a step-by-step video, and hopefully it helps people out. And if it does, do let me know in the comment section below, because I'll definitely make more videos just like this. This is a little reminder and a little pro tip for you. Applying silicone to the base edges before you place your tray will prevent leaks and make aligning much more easier. Even though this is a how-to do video, and I think people who have got a level of skill will be able to do this, but I wanted to ask the person who I was working with, and you'll be surprised by his answer. So make sure you stick around to listen to it. It's coming up in a second. You can never be too sure with the level. On the job, you should always use the level twice, 3 times, just to double check that you have got the right level. We use spacers to pack out the base, which maintains alignment and correct spaces for the shower tray. This enables everything to fit perfectly. But don't you think that this style of work here, there's only some people that have it, well, the skill set to do it is one, yes, but the patience as well. Because what I find myself personally, is that we have a lot of work, people that do work in construction and trades now, but the people who do it, none of it is to any quality or standards.
Well, this is the attention to detail. Bang. Attention to detail is key, I always say. Which is the difference between a good tradesman and an extremely bad one.
Yeah.
Because cutting corners is one thing that they're very good at.
Yeah.
They're doing, and we can't afford to do that. I can't afford to do that because there's payback from number one, the customer, the client. I call them clients. Not people call them customers. But black and white. Put a blue in there.
What's the difference in the sizing and the pack outs? Like the black
The
ones
packers they range from 2 mil, 1 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil, up to 5.
Okay.
So they're colour coded, makes it like a little bit easier. And that's exactly where we want that one to be. So we're going to fix that. Right here. Yeah. Drill. I'm going to just get a drill bit.
This is another pro tip. Make sure you have your drill bit and your pilot piece ready.
I'm going to just get a drill bit.
Yep.
So I like to pre-drill my stuff before.
Oh, you got a bit here.
Right.
Yeah. Sorry.
I like that. Yeah.
I should be a better passer. Just in case you was wondering, the blue colour on the floor, that's a water membrane, and the cable running across, you can see, is the leak detection system.
In his hand,
Prepared.
anticipating what you're going to need. Just double check. Yep.
Next, we prepare the plywood, which is supporting the base, which sits underneath the shower tray, provides extra stability and strength and support. We carefully cut the base plate, marking the trap location and precise alignment. Accuracy here is key to avoid problems with pipe alignment. Cutting a circle for the trap requires a smooth motion, maintaining the correct dimensions. This prevents leaks and ensures the trap sits flush. Here's another pro tip for you. Marking your trap accurately and measuring your markings for your trap before you cut. Accuracy here avoids you having to redo the base. We cut the skirting board to fit neatly around the tray, giving a clean, professional finish to the installation.
Now, how am I going to proof this for the women?
Yep.
Yep. And there. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the waste.
Picture. We apply silicone around all of the shower edges to create a watertight seal, and make sure you cover any gaps and smooth for a clean finish.
See that, but
we double check alignments and leveling, particularly at the front support, making sure there is nothing interfering with the pipework and tray movability.
you got 70 mil.
Maybe the timber's not straight, innit? Oh, it's not on your lines, innit? Are they tram lines or?
No, this is pissed. It's not square. If I put it there, that's not right. That's 100 mil there. But you're right where your trap is.
Yeah.
So I can't have it there. Oh crap. The one that said he wanted 100, and it's right in line with your waist. So I'm going to take it off. So I'll whip it off and move it. Go further back. Half and half on there. So this is
Stuck around this long, you might as well wait until you see the full finished product, and I will be putting the full installation of this bathroom, which we will be putting a screen around as well. So look out for that video because it will be dropping on the page soon. Don't forget to turn your notification bells on and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you all for staying until the end. And here is the finished base, fully leveled, sealed, and ready for use.